Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Placeit integrations for instant brand mockups. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To install Placeit integrations for instant brand mockups, start by navigating to the Placeit website. Log into your Placeit account or create a new account if you don't have one. Once logged in, locate the integrations section on the dashboard. Click on the integrations tab to view available options. Select the platform you want to integrate with Placeit, such as Shopify, WooCommerce, or another supported service. Follow the on-screen instructions specific to each platform for installation. For Shopify, click on the Add App button and confirm the installation. Provide the necessary permissions for Placeit to access your Shopify store. For WooCommerce, download the Placeit plugin from the WordPress repository. Upload the plugin to your WordPress dashboard under the Plugins section. Activate the plugin and enter your Placeit API key when prompted. Once the integration is complete, you can access Placeit tools directly from your chosen platform. Create stunning mockups instantly by selecting your products and customizing your designs. Ensure your brand assets are uploaded and linked properly for seamless usage. Explore the various mockup templates available to enhance your presentations. Preview your designs and make any necessary adjustments. After finalizing your mockups, download them directly or use them straight in your online store. Now you can easily showcase your brand with professional quality mockups through Placeit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.